must-visit Sydney spots you can't miss. Join me as I take on the challenge of visiting 15 incredible spots in Sydney that you absolutely can't miss, all in just one day. When it comes to exploring a new city, there's nothing quite like the thrill of discovering its hidden gems and must-visit attractions. And Sydney, with its iconic landmarks, stunning beaches, and vibrant cultural scene, is a traveler's paradise. In this video, I'll be showcasing the top 15 spots in Sydney that you simply can't miss, from world-famous icons to secret local haunts that will make your trip truly unforgettable. 1. Sydney Opera House. We start with the crown jewel of Sydney, the Sydney Opera House. This architectural masterpiece, with its unique sail-like design, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Australia. But it's not just about its looks. Inside, you can experience world-class performances, from opera to ballet. Don't forget to snap that iconic shot from the nearby Royal Botanic Garden or take a guided tour to explore its hidden secrets. Travel tip: visit the Opera Bar at sunset for breathtaking views of the harbour. 2. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Next up, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, affectionately known as the Coat Hanger. This engineering marvel connects the north and south of the city and offers incredible panoramic views. For the ultimate thrill, try the Sydney Bridge Climb, where you can scale the bridge and enjoy unbeatable 360-degree views of the city and harbour. If you prefer to keep your feet on solid ground, walk or cycle across the bridge for a more relaxed experience. Travel tip: head to Milson's Point for a perfect photo opportunity of the bridge and Opera House together. 3. Bondi Beach. No trip to Sydney is complete without a visit to Bondi Beach, one of the world's most famous beaches. With its golden sands, turquoise waters, and laid-back vibe, Bondi is the perfect place to soak up the sun, swim, or surf. Take the scenic Bondi to Quay Coastal Walk to discover hidden coves and breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. And don't forget to check out the vibrant street art and stop by the Icebergs Pool for a swim with a view. Travel tip: arrive early to avoid the crowds, especially during peak season. 4. Taronga Zoo. For animal lovers, Taronga Zoo is a must-visit. Located on the shores of Sydney Harbour, this world-renowned zoo offers not only the chance to see incredible wildlife, from kangaroos to elephants, but also unbeatable views of the city skyline. Take the Sky Safari cable car for a bird's-eye view of the zoo and its surroundings. And for a unique experience, you can even spend the night at the zoo with the Roar and Snore program. Travel tip: plan your visit around the daily animal shows and keeper talks for an educational experience. 5. The Rocks. Step back in time and explore Sydney's oldest neighbourhood, The Rocks. With its cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and lively markets, The Rocks is a perfect blend of old and new. Wander through the alleyways, visit the weekend market for unique Australian crafts, and explore the area's vibrant pubs and restaurants. Don't miss the Rocks Discovery Museum, where you can learn about the area's history, from Aboriginal heritage to colonial settlement. Travel tip: take a guided walking tour to uncover the fascinating stories and hidden gems of the Rocks. 6. Royal Botanic Garden Sydney. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city at the Royal Botanic Garden Sydney. This 30-hectare oasis is home to thousands of plant species, stunning views of the harbour, and peaceful walking paths. Explore the themed gardens, from the Rose Garden to the Rainforest Walk, and don't miss Mrs. Macquarie's Chair, a sandstone rock cut into the shape of a bench, offering one of the best views of the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Travel tip: visit the Calyx for rotating exhibitions showcasing stunning botanical displays. 7. Darling Harbour. Darling Harbour is the heart of Sydney's entertainment and dining scene. From family-friendly attractions like SEA Life Sydney Aquarium and Wildlife Sydney Zoo to vibrant dining options and stunning waterfront views, there's something for everyone here. Take a leisurely stroll along the harbour, hop on a boat tour, or visit the Australian National Maritime Museum to explore Australia's seafaring history. Travel tip: visit at night to see the harbour light up with vibrant colours and enjoy a waterfront dinner with a view. 8. Manly Beach. Manly Beach offers a relaxed coastal escape, just a short ferry ride from Circular Quay. Known for its surf culture and laid-back atmosphere, Manly is a great spot for swimming, surfing, or simply enjoying the sunshine. Stroll along the Corso, a lively pedestrian street lined with shops, cafes, and ice cream parlors, or explore the Manly Scenic Walkway for stunning views of Sydney Harbour National Park. Travel tip: take the iconic Manly Ferry from Circular Quay for breathtaking views of the Sydney Harbour along the way. 9. Art Gallery of New South Wales. Art enthusiasts should not miss the Art Gallery of New South Wales, one of Australia's leading art museums. Located within walking distance of the Royal Botanic Garden, the gallery showcases an impressive collection of Australian, Aboriginal, Asian, and European art. Admission to the permanent galleries is free, making it a perfect cultural escape during your Sydney adventure. Travel tip: check the gallery schedule for special exhibitions, workshops, and talks to enhance your visit. (10) Queen Victoria Building, QVB. Shopping enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Queen Victoria Building, or QVB, is a stunning example of Victorian architecture and a shopping paradise. Originally built in the late 19th century, the building has been beautifully restored and is home to a variety of high-end boutiques, specialty stores, and cafes. Even if shopping isn't on your agenda, the building itself, with its intricate stained glass windows and grand staircases, is worth a visit. Travel tip: head to the top floor for a view of the building's incredible central dome. 11. Circular Quay. Circular Quay is the hub of Sydney's transport network, but it's also one of the most scenic spots in the city. From here, you can catch ferries to destinations like Manly, Taronga Zoo, and Watson's Bay, or simply enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Take a walk along the harbour, grab a coffee at one of the cafes, and watch as street performers entertain the crowds. Circular Quay is also home to the Museum of Contemporary Art, showcasing modern works by Australian and international artists. Travel tip: for a unique experience, visit Circular Quay at sunrise and watch the city come to life. 12. Watson's Bay. Watson's Bay offers a peaceful escape from the city with stunning views of the Sydney Harbour and the Pacific Ocean. Take a ferry from Circular Quay to this charming seaside village and enjoy fresh seafood at one of the waterfront restaurants. For the adventurous, the South Head Heritage Trail offers breathtaking views from the cliff tops and a chance to explore the historic Hornby Lighthouse. Travel tip: end your day with fish and chips on the beach as the sun sets over the harbour. 13. Hyde Park. Hyde Park, located in the heart of the city, is Australia's oldest park and a great place to unwind. Stroll through its beautifully landscaped gardens, admire the Archibald Fountain, and visit the Anzac Memorial, dedicated to the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. Hyde Park is a perfect spot for a picnic or to relax under the shade of a tree while enjoying the city's green spaces. Travel tip: visit in spring to see the park's famous flower beds in full bloom. 14. Chinatown. Sydney's Chinatown, located in the Haymarket area, is a vibrant district that offers a taste of Asia in the heart of the city. From authentic dumpling houses to trendy Asian fusion restaurants, you'll find a wide range of delicious options here. Wander through the bustling streets, visit the Chinese Garden of Friendship for a peaceful escape, and stop by Paddy's Market for souvenirs and fresh produce. Travel tip: visit during the annual Lunar New Year celebrations for lion dances, street performances, and cultural festivities. 15. Barangaroo Reserve. Last but not least, Barangaroo Reserve is a stunning waterfront park that blends modern design with Sydney's rich history. This area was once a working port and has been transformed into a beautiful green space with native plants, walking trails, and stunning views of the harbour. Explore the cultural and historical significance of the area at the Barangaroo Welcome Centre and enjoy a leisurely walk along the waterfront. Travel tip: Barangaroo Reserve is a great spot for a picnic with views of the Sydney Harbour Bridge and city skyline. In this video, we've explored 15 incredible spots in Sydney that you simply can't miss. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, each of these destinations offers a unique glimpse into the heart and soul of this amazing city. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a local looking for new adventures, I hope this video has inspired you to get out and explore all that Sydney has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite Sydney spot. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more travel content and check out another video on my channel.